Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We have a 2012 Volkswagen CC, which is basically a Passat, but German made. So we're trying to add a key. It's the slot type key. We already have a working key and we're trying to add one here. We already identified the vehicle, scanning DTC, and we're about to erase and try to add a key. Alright, control unit, comfort module, 46 or 48, it's 48 in this case, and we're gonna try to read IMO data of ECM and make dealer key. In case adding a key via OBD2 didn't work, we're gonna have to take the comfort module out of the vehicle and make a key on bench. And I believe on those models, the specific module is behind the glove box here. Turn off ignition, then turn on, off, on. Now we just gotta wait. Here we go. We successfully read our CS code and PIN. Basically, this is what we need to add keys. But we notice here that our seventh last two digits of our CS code are missing because there's zeros here. I'm gonna save this screen real quick in case I needed it. And now we're gonna go try to calculate the seventh bit, the two last bits of the CS code. So we go search for seventh bit, and we're gonna do this using our XP400 Pro and our working key. So it will tell us to place the working key into the slot of the programmer and press OK. Take our key out, slot, OK. All right, here we go. It took like 5-6 minutes, I'd say, and it did calculate the missing two digits. Basically, it's E5, and I'm gonna save that as well. Save. Okay. Now we go make dealer key. Put a blank key in the slot of the programmer. This is our blank key. Okay. Okay. Now we need to learn this key. Now, when we are learning the keys, we are gonna have to learn both of them together. So we're gonna select the number of keys to be learned, 2, okay. Okay, we need the ignition on, obviously. Key learning. 2. Okay. Turn off the ignition, remove key, wait 5 seconds, reinsert the key and turn ignition on. If you can notice here, it says 0 of 2, which is the 2 numbers we're trying to learn. And now we're going to learn the first one. Immobilizer adjustment active, 5 seconds. We insert the key, and now we'll say 1 of 2. Here we go. Hit OK. It will ask us to remove and insert the last key, which is key number 2. Remove the original one, key number 2, and now it should say 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Now we'll ask us if the number of learned keys displayed on the instrument cluster is equal to the number of the keys to be learned, which is okay. And yes, key learning complete. Let's check if it will start the vehicle. Second one. Perfect. This is how we do it.